Bror Fredrik coming at you with another video. I just finished filming the Bellagio Conservatory Christmas 2021 display. It was pretty amazing. If the video's not already out, it'll be out in the next day or so. So go ahead and click on that subscribe and especially the bell button so you get notified of all the new videos. And this time of year, with all the Christmas displays going up, you're gonna see a lot of them, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm on my way back to Caesar's Palace right now. That's where I parked, so I have to make my way down there. So I thought I'd maybe take you along for the walk. I hope you enjoy it. Probably keep the narration to an absolute minimum. We'll have some fun. Absolutely beautiful in here, isn't it? There's Spago. We're gonna cross the bridge over to the walkway over to Caesar's. Let's see if we can catch this door real quick. Yes. It is about 2:30 in the morning right now. Took them a while to put the finishing touches on the conservatory. It was opening night, so I had to sit there for a while. But I enjoyed it. Where is all that noise coming from? Let me give you some views. Matter of fact, we'll take the long way. Amazingly enough, this escalator is working. At the end of the video, I'm going to drop the 9% word of the day right up somewhere in this corner right there. That'll let me know, and it'll let YouTube know that you did indeed stick around to the very end, and that definitely helps the channel out. That's a beautiful view right there. Surprised how many people are out for 2:30 in the morning. The Flamingo is celebrating its 75th anniversary at the end of the month. That's going to be pretty amazing. chair. Earlier this evening, Caesars was absolutely packed. Bellagio was fairly full too, but Caesars was slammed. That's a beautiful look right there. Too bad they're closed. It's about 55 degrees right now. My kind of weather. Let's take a walk over here real quick. Omnia, the nightclub, was absolutely slammed too. People would just getting in line at around midnight, which is like the old days. It's kind of nice to see. As you can see, from Caesars to Bellagio, or should I say the other way around, it's only about a 5-minute walk. And here is that construction crane working on the inside that's been here for months. Months and months and months. Let me give you some views down there. Isn't that beautiful? Not the construction. We might as well head inside too. See if we can escape this copyright music real quick. Come on, open up door. We got copyright music. All right, we're in. Not that that's gonna be any better in here. There she is. Now she's famous. Might as well take a walk inside. This is the temporary hallway because they're working on the foyer for months and months and months. I have no idea what it's going to look like, but I hope it's nice. Oh, here we go with the music. But I kind of dig it. I used to do my radio show from this area right here in K-Dawn back in the day. And that's the bar back there, and they changed into a little gaming area here, but obviously it's closed too. That's the table area. So I'm gonna head back through the casino and go get my car. Let me turn this camera around. So that was kind of a fun walk, eh? So I'm like I said, heading back to the car. I appreciate you coming along for the walk. I had fun, hope you did too. And I'm gonna drop the 9% word of the day right, bam, right there. And again, that'll let me know and YouTube know that you stuck around to the absolute very end, and that helps the channel out tremendously. And the other thing that helps the channel out, me, is Patreon, channel memberships, or click on any of the links in the description below. I gotta adjust this thing and we'll keep walking. I like this center bar. I think we'll wrap it up right here. What do you think? And on that note, Bror Fredrik out.